ị na-enyela onwe gị nsogbu. Ụwa bụ nwayọ nwayọ mana nke gị bụzi nzọgbu. Ọ bụrụ gị kele onwe gị mana ị chọrọ ikezi onwe gị ntọgbu. Ị nọ here dey depressed thinking nobody dead they think of you. Your mama kpọrọ m na phone, ọ sị na your phone dey switched off, think of it. Ị ma your mother tala afụ mụọ gị. What's the problem nwanne? How do you think she'll feel ma achọ gị? You need to be strong nwanne maka your brother self they look up to you. Ọ na-afụ as a role model, your sister self they look up to you. Ọ na-afụ ma as a broke nigga maka enwere m up to 6 figures. Lies. See I love you bro and the only figure I care about is my figure. How can you want to kill yourself and put our family through this rigor? Why? Sister, I love you too, man. You ain't working a full of to believe. I need to kill myself, maka the way I dey look myself, what they can believe. Lies. Big bro, how do you think if you kill yourself, you solve all the problems? You know, say if you kill yourself to bury yourself, nah, not that problem. Hey man, I run the rope, papa. Jeno ke pasa yankata. Uwabu wa chuku nwanne. Ukwa rogi oda. Ye di oki ge joy. Anja ge meche dimma. Ife ge meche dimma. When the guy just want even, when the guy just not lose anything, when the guy just said you okay. I love you, bro, man. Come on, bro. What you fuck, man? How you go even think to kill yourself? Guy, nothing. There's beauty in the struggle. See, say we no get today, we'll get tomorrow. Now be the joy. Come on, bro.